An Azure Function app is a cloud-based service that lets you run serverless code. In simple terms, it's a way to execute a small piece of code called functions in the cloud without needing to set up or manage a server. Now, before I explain you everything, just 3 important key concepts to be considered in the Azure function. The first one is called serverless, second one is event driven, and the third one is pay per execution. So let's dive into the function. This is the Azure Function app which is deployed in the Azure portal. The name is this and it's called Function app. Why? There are several functions together. They are called Function app. And if you look at this, these are the functions. I have totally like 8 to 10 functions. Each one is a function, does each work. Sometimes this function does the sending email. Every single function has its own functionality. Now all of these functions together called Function app. So this is the Function app that you saw, which was open in Visual Studio. And if you look at this, if I open any one of this function, the function name is written here and it does a small work. It could be any work, but it does some small work. Okay, so this is a function. Similarly, we have different functions. We have timer function because timer function means it triggers based on every set time interval, every 5 seconds, 1 hour, whatsoever. There are some functions called SQL trigger based on the SQL table gets inserts or update, this function gets triggered. So similarly, there are many triggers like HTTP. The key concept, all of these functions you can deploy there without you need to set up any server. That's called serverless. Okay, so don't get confused. Serverless means you just don't need to maintain anything. Microsoft will take care. Second concept is the event driven. The timer function, HTTP trigger function, SQL trigger, they're all events. They're all driven by some event. SQL will inject, that's event. Okay, HTTP is something that you will call, that's an event. Timer function is automatically running set on a set time, that's an event. So they are called event driven. They are driven only by event. Unless that happens, the function just sits there and does nothing. If you look at this, these functions are running for our app, and I have opened up the application insights for this one. So let's see. For last less than 1 month, these many things are run, and this function allows and run more than 518k, which is more than 500,000, right? So Azure Function is free for consumption app for 1 million requests per month. So that's why this many requests was done. I was not charged. Get ready, learn more about these things in the channel. I will give you the details in the description. Subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.